Everyone, take a look at this nail. There's already a pus-filled blister next to it. Today, we'll use a bigger tool to fix it. This nail is very hard. He said it was smashed and it grew out like this afterward. Not taking the usual path, just drilling into the flesh. Actually, it's very simple. If you have this type of knife at home, you can trim it yourself. But the traditional pedicure knife at home can't insert properly and can't do the job. Today, his wife cleaned it very thoroughly and then trimmed off the protruding parts around it. Now, wearing shoes and walking is painful for him, so we solved his problem. Friends with similar issues can comment in the comment section, and we will post regularly every day.